ATC Weatherland. Here's Rob's forecast.
Welcome back and happy Tuesday, if there is such a thing. Tuesday somewhere in the week. It's not quite Monday and it's nowhere near the end of the week, so we'll go with happy Tuesday nonetheless. And for us, it's been that way. Nice and quiet weather pattern as you get across the nation's midsection. Different scenario. Heavy duty storms across the nation's midsection, but they'll be bypassing us off to the north. Meanwhile, we stay under the influence of this sprawling ridge of high pressure at the surface, allowing for southwesterly winds. But you can see the upper level winds aloft are generally out of the southwest, so we do have some high clouds heading this way, and we'll see a few more clouds in the days ahead, but still a mostly sunny afternoon tomorrow, and we're going to have more of the same Thursday and Friday, although clouds gradually on the increase through those days. And overnight tonight, we're going to see the clouds kind of increase once again as the moisture piles up in southern Louisiana. It did this morning as well. We also had some debris clouds coming in from some thunderstorms that were up in Oklahoma yesterday, so that's why it was more of a cloudy morning, but it became mostly sunny. Got up to 92 degrees this afternoon. Should be in the same ballpark again tomorrow, so another relatively hot day given it's June. Normal highs this time of year, 86 or 87. We've been 5 degrees or better warmer than the typical normals for the last 2 weeks, and more of the same tomorrow night. In fact, with more cloud cover, looks like we'll be in the mid 70s, and then as we head into Thursday, back upper 80s, lower 90s with a breezier southerly winds. You'll notice those winds really beginning to pick up, gusts over 20 as we get into Thursday afternoon, and much the same is going to happen going into Friday. Some morning clouds, but afternoon sunshine and breezy southerly winds. They crank up even a little bit more so as we head into Friday afternoon, but essentially dry through Friday, but that's going to change for the weekend. More on that in just a bit. Tropics, as we take a look at the big picture, it is relatively quiet other than a tropical wave that's down here in the southwestern Caribbean. We're keeping an eye on this. It will continue to move slowly westward with time, and we're getting mixed signals on the computer models. While the Euro model sees the moisture, it kind of forces it into Central America. We do know it's going to get wet down here, maybe flooding rains. Some of that moisture squirts northward up toward the northern Gulf Coast, and that could add to our rain chances come this weekend. I think that's probably a pretty solid play. And then the Euro tries to develop something over here in the Pacific by the Gulf of Tehuantepec as we go to a week from today. And I'm not going past a week on the models because anything beyond 5 to 7 days is certainly fairy tale land, especially if you look at the GFS. The GFS, though, still capturing that moisture, really pummeling portions of Nicaragua, perhaps Honduras and San Salvador, and then maybe over toward Belize with some heavy rainfall, but keeps a more organized system that could head for the Gulf of Mexico. But right now, we're not thinking the GFS is on mark. Again, it's early in the year. It's trying to gen up storms, so it looks like a little early, and plus we're going to have a lot of dust coming in through the Caribbean into the Gulf of Mexico, which is going to make for hazy skies here as we go into next week for sure, and usually that African dust usually knocks down tropical activity. So that's how we're going to play for now, something that we'll just keep an eye on overall. Temperatures tonight dropping down into the lower 70s. That's where we're going to be throughout the overnight hours. I think the graph model goes too low into the 60s. And then tomorrow afternoon, temperatures warming upper 80s to lower 90s. Once again, we'll go about 92 for the projected high with mostly sunny skies. As we move forward into the weekend, here come your rain chances sparking up to 50 to 60% Saturday into Sunday. There's that tropical moisture on the Euro, and here comes a little bit of a frontal boundary. That means a good chance of showers and storms, especially later Saturday, and then lingering shower activity on Sunday, which will keep our temperatures down closer to the low to mid 80s. That'll be nice. And then as we head into next week, temperatures slowly warm, but we'll maintain some rain chances throughout next week. That's it for weather for now. We'll have more coming up right after the break.